hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today I've got another 12 weeks of Christmas 2022 project for you. Today we are going to be making an ornament of my favorite Christmas, the Grinch. So I have some pom-poms. These are, you know, those fuzzy chenille pom-poms, $2.49 at the Hobby Snobby. I have 2 bags of green, different shades of green. I have a couple of different ornaments that we're going to do this in. Some red shiny paper, a heart punch, and my Xyron. So, if you have sticker, you know, if you have a heart sticker, use that instead, okay? The ones I have, yeah, they all say love on them, and okay? So, the way that I like to do this is I like to mix my colors before I put them in. So, I'm going to put like half a pack of each color. If you do not have these pom-poms, you could do this with yarn, okay? And then I just shake it up and mix them around, you know? And then we're going to open up our little ornament. This is the easy part, right? I'm going to take this off because we don't want the tag. By the way, these are Dollar Tree ornaments for $1, you know. And we're just going to put them in here. And if we need more, we'll put in a few more, you know. We need a few more. Who are we kidding? We're making 2 of these. Put them all in there. Okay. Mix it up. All right, so we're putting them in. Now, these are the little ones. If you want to get the bigger ones, you can get the bigger ones. You certainly can. They're just kind of hard to get through the little hole. All right. I think that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let me see. Put this on there. Let's take a look. Oh, that's fabulous. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the thing off of this one. Okay. This one I'm going to cut the tag and not the string. See? This one has a little tiny hole. See? Little hole. And we have to get these in there. So this one we have to be a little bit, you know, more patient with. But, you know. We're going to put them in there. I love the Grinch before his heart grew. You know? He was fabulous. Probably the only thing that I've ever seen that I actually liked from him too, by the way. I'm not a big, I didn't like Mask or, you know, Pet Detective or any of those other things, so. That was probably the one thing I liked about him, and it was that and the Riddler. He did a really good Riddler. But I think he was kind of, you know, designed for those roles. Okay. See, this takes forever. It's kind of fiddly. That's why I got the little ones, because if I had to get the big ones, oh my, we'd be here for days, you know? By the way, the ones that I've dropped, don't fear. Harry has already absconded with them. He's like, for me, Mommy? Okay. They have not died in vain. A few more in here. Come on. All right. Oh, that's a lot. All right. We're going to put a few more in, and then whatever we have left, we'll put in the other one. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Okay, here we go. on there. Turn this one over. Put them in. Hey, get in there. All right, so now we have the basis for our ornaments. And we're going to punch some hearts. This one's an easy one, guys. You know, this is like done. So I'm just going to punch a couple of hearts. And I'm going to put these through my Xyron. And like I said, if you don't have a Xyron, that's fine. You can do this just by putting, you know, double-sided tape on the back as well. All right. Peel this off. And this one, I think I'm actually going to put 2 on it. All right, I'll put 2 on both of them. 1 on each side. So, this one's just, you know, okay, I have to be honest. It's because I wanted to do it, you know, because I like the Grinch. What can I say? I'm kind of Grinchy myself, you know. Okay, here we go. Right there. And over here. All right. So, that's it. That's our little Grinchy Christmas ornaments. You know, you can, if you wanted to, you could do this like a couple of layers in different shades of red, you know, to show that his heart grew 3 sizes. But, you know, just cute little Grinch ornaments that you can put on your tree, and they're easy to do. And, you know, if you did a whole bunch of these, you could have a cute little Seuss tree. I'm just saying. All right, that's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go and hit that button for me. And subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and your friends can be my friends. My friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends before you know it. Giant crafting community. I do go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And on Sundays, we play trivia. I give away prizes every week, and we're working our way to, like, the grand finale. It's part of my 1,000 subscriber celebration. I have a 12 of 22 journal challenge going on. You do not need to make 12 journals. There is a link in the description box below. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to take you over and give you all the information that you need. You only need to participate with 1 journal in order to be entered in for the thank you drawing that I'm going to be doing. And if you want to know what I am doing, go ahead and check out the community tab here on my YouTube channel, or go over and join my Facebook group. There's a link to that in the description box below, and there's a featured listing there. I update both of those on the regular. It tells you everything that I'm doing, free classes, projects, tutorials, all that stuff. Gives you an idea of what I got coming up and what's coming out. That's it, guys. Until I see you again, stay well. Bye-bye.